Now, we're going to establish and discuss why international marketing is important and what is international marketing. So, international marketing means applying the same marketing principles we use in one country to markets in different countries. So, businesses must consider different cultures, economic conditions, and customer preferences to succeed globally. So, for instance, as example, a soft drink company might change its flavors depending on the country, like Japan. They might offer a sakura flavored soda, while in Mexico, it could be tamarind flavored. So this helps them to appeal to local taste based on the local taste on their own. So international marketing is all about understanding customers worldwide and adapting strategies on different markets to make a product successfully global. First is the international marketing. So it means that selling across borders. A company send their products to other countries but don't fully operate there. So examples of that is a shoe brand exports its product worldwide but only has factories in its home country. Examples here in the Philippines, there's this company owned nga naa jud sa Philippines na diri ang factories. So if they operate in a worldwide, ang dili na sila mag-build of factories to the other countries but to export lang sa ilang products. Mana, that is international marketing. And the second is foreign marketing. So what is that? Selling within a specific country means a businesses adapts to the culture, language, and preferences of a foreign market. Example, a fast food chain in Japan offers unique menu items like teriyaki, teriyaki burgers to match the local taste. Nagbase sila sa kuan sa Japan, sa ilang taste nga taga Japan. And the third is multinational marketing. So, it operating in multiple countries. So, a company's coordinates across many countries, balancing global branding with local adjustments. So examples, smartphones like another of that is iPhone. So a smartphone's brand has stores in different countries but adjust pricing and advertising to fit each market. So mag-base ta kung tayo ang iPhone is mag-change siya og pricing to the other countries because kanang para mas mahalinan man sila kung ilang tan-awon jud ang situation po sa ilang gi exportan og kuan nga iPhone products. Like nana, mag-adjust sila pricing to fit each market. That's right. As you can see in the chart, these figures helps illustrate the differences. So here's the international marketing focuses on cross borders, sales, foreign markets adapt to local markets, and multinational marketing involves a global strategies that balances consistency, adaptation. So as you can see in the chart, nadira ang how uh, the three dimensions of international marketing, how they export, is nadira ang ways or pamaagi giun sa nila in each of them: international marketing, foreign marketing, and multinational marketing. Topic will be gonna reported by the next reporter.